Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make chin chin. I'll leave the list of ingredients on the screen. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first you sift your flour to make sure there are no lumps. After that, you mix the rest of the dry ingredients together. You add your sugar, your nutmeg and salt. You mix it together. Set it aside. Mix your milk, add 2 eggs. Don't break your egg directly inside the milk to avoid getting eggshells in. Add your butter and mix it with your hands. You can use a mixer, but I just prefer to use my hands. After mixing your butter very well, you can see it's almost like breadcrumbs. You add your milk and your egg. You make a well in the middle and pour in the milk and the egg. Continue to mix. Now, if you look at my flour, I make sure I mix it to be a bit loose. Then I gradually sprinkle flour on it. The flour I'm sprinkling on it is part of the flour I sift. I don't like adding water, and I also like my chin chin is not so hard because I've eaten few chin chin that were really hard. I almost lost the tooth. When you have enough butter, your chin chin is always soft. Even though it's crunchy, it's still soft. You mix it very well, then you sprinkle some flour on your chopping board and transfer the dough on the chopping board. After that, you take it out, sprinkle some more flour, cut out the one you roll first, roll it out properly, make sure it's not too thin. Then you cut. You can use a pizza cutter to cut this, but I just love using knife. That's just something I really like doing. I always do this when I was a kid. You know, when it's Christmas time, we always make chin chin at my grandma's place. So we, being part of the family, our job was to cut the chin chin. That's the only time we feel like we're part of the family because they don't let us do stuffs. So yeah, I like cutting it with my knife, but you can use a pizza cutter. I'll insert a picture of that on the screen in case you want to get yours. So after cutting it, you heat your oil. You guys already know I always fry onions in my oil before using it to fry anything. So I'm going to take the onion out now and then fry my chin chin. So you gradually add it. You don't have to worry. Once it's fried, it's going to separate itself. So you don't need to stir it. If you do that, your oil is just going to foam and just splash everywhere. I'm talking from experience, guys. You don't need to stir it. Just allow it fry. It will separate by itself. You can always check it, but don't stir it. Please pay attention. You don't need to stir it. You can see it's all golden. Oh my god, it looks so good. This is really like my favorite snack. This is and always will be my favorite Christmas snack. frying the first batch, I rolled out the remaining, so I'm just going to add that and then fry. So guys, you can see we have our chin chin looking all golden, delicious. I mean, this is so good. This tastes so good. When I said this tastes so good, some people just be laughing. Some people will be laughing. But for real, guys, if you've tested what I make, you know that there is no lie here. There is no lie. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I noticed that most of my views are from non-subscribers. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.